Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. It is that time again. I have for you guys my BOXYCHARM unboxing. So today we're just gonna go over what I got in my box. Usually I would do a try-on style video, but I was so excited to sit down and film this. I just got this in the mail today. I couldn't wait and wanted to sit down and film and share this with you guys. So we're going to go over the items that I got inside my box. Now this is the standard BOXYCHARM subscription. This isn't premium or luxe. In fact, I am so off on that one. I don't even know what time of month or how often the other boxes come out. I tend to just stick with the standard subscription with BOXYCHARM. So we're gonna go into this together. I know there were quite a few variations this month, and I know that it's really fun to see what everybody is getting. And since I seem to have gotten this earlier than normal, I thought it would be fun to just get it up as soon as possible for you guys so you could see what I got in my box. So let's just jump into it and let's see what I got in the January BOXYCHARM box. As per usual, you guys know what the packaging looks like. I have no clue what is inside my box. I didn't peek. I peeked last time. I don't know what's in it this month. So the theme is breaking the ice. I think, yes, there are a ton of variations. I got number 23. If you're not familiar with this, you can look on the lower, what is this, right-hand corner, and it will tell you what variation you got. It looks like the first item on the list is from Pretty Vulgar. This is their Undercover Concealer. It says this is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural flawless finish. It has vitamin E in it and galacto-arabinan. If I'm saying that correctly, I have no idea what that is. It says that will keep the skin moisturized and rejuvenated and will improve the skin's appearance. It's got an angled doe foot applicator. It says this is blendable, long wearing, and great for all skin types. Now, I did take the quiz that they had, was that last month? To see, you know, what would match with your complexion. This looks like this is like my skin tone. Typically, I tend to go for a brighter concealer, and I'm pretty positive I did pick a brighter shade. This one is 63, the middle ground. And there's what the applicator looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick swatch. Oh my goodness, yeah. That is way, way too dark, way too dark. That isn't even something that would work to match my skin tone, even if I wasn't trying to, you know, brighten the under eyes. That is just way too dark. Yeah, I would have never have picked this shade. Typically, I'm about 99% accurate when it comes to picking out my shades. And if I did pick this, it definitely wasn't what was described online. So that's a little bit disappointing. This is a product that I can't even use. That one retails for $25. Now, I did see that was an option. I think there was a highlighter. I so wanted that Too Faced highlighter so badly. But you guys, I know you told me in my comments before, when I log in to my BOXYCHARM account, I don't have the option to choose. I don't see it anywhere on my screen. And I've noticed underneath BOXYCHARM's Instagram posts that there are other people that say that they have the same issue. I don't get the emails. I don't see any of it. So this is the first time I was bummed. November or was it last month? I can't remember. December, I think it was. I wasn't bummed at all. I loved what I got in my box, but so far we're 0 and 5 if there's 5 items in this box. So let's move on. The next one is an eyeshadow palette from Ace Beauty or Ace Beauty. This retails for $34. Let's see which one. This is the Scarlet Dusk palette. Really cute packaging. I do have to say I like the unit carton. That is gorgeous. It says the Scarlet Dusk. Can I ever talk? The Scarlet Dusk palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the breathtaking sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world and is a sister palette to our Vintage Dawn palette. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. I've never tried anything, I don't believe, from this brand, and I have heard fantastic things about the Ace Beauty, or Beauty, again, I don't know if I'm saying that right, formula. So we've got our little plastic covering. There is a fantastic mirror on the inside of that. Love that. And here are all of the shades. These are beautiful. Wow, I am really into this one, especially right here, Crimson. That is gorgeous. Let's go ahead and do some swatches. I'll just take from the top row. Let's see how these swatch. Ooh, wow. Pigmentation. Hello, that is beautiful. Let me take some of the metallics here from this palette. These perform how they swatch. I can definitely see why people love this formula. Wow, Those are gorgeous. Off the bat when I saw it, yes, this was a beautiful palette, but I was like, I already have colors like that. But these are like amplified. These are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to try these. I love getting a brand new formula. That is the best thing about subscription boxes, is that it obviously gives you a chance to try things that you normally wouldn't. And if you enjoy it, then you know to buy more of it. And obviously you're not paying much for the box, you know, on the grand scheme of things, considering all the product that you're getting. So this may have revived the box a bit. That is absolutely gorgeous. And if I didn't mention already, that one retails for $34.99. Now the next thing we have here is from Skin & Co. Roma. This is their Truffle Therapy Face Gamache. Can't say I've ever heard of that word before. This retails for $28. It says this is a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gamache is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gamache features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful free radical scavenger that reduces the sign of aging. Wow, we've got some incredible claims being made here. It says gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. Well, come on people, who doesn't need that? This sounds really exciting to me. This actually says it's made in Italy, which is really cool. And let me just take a look at the ingredients. So it does say black truffle extract, apricot seed powder, sweet almond extract, squalene, which is a really good hydrating ingredient, and allantonin. So it says this is gluten-free, BPA-free, GMO-free, and vegan. It has 0 sulfates, parabens, mineral oils, or phthalates. This I am super duper excited for. I love some good clean skincare like this, and I tend to have more sensitive dry skin. I just squirted this out and got it over my nose. I did not expect that to happen. Shoot, I don't want to waste this. Look, well, now that I got some all over the freaking cap, you can take a look and see what this looks like. Just kind of feel the texture here. So it does have very micro fine kind of scrubbers in there. Yeah, it smells really fresh and clean. This is cool. I'll have to keep you guys updated and let you know. This has 5.07 ounces in this. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. I figured that you didn't want to use it too often because of the microdermabrasion properties in it, but this is really cool. Good job, BOXYCHARM. I'll give it to them for including that in the box. So it sounds like we're redeeming ourselves here. The concealer sucks, but the last 2 items, so much yes. Let's move on. So we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This retails for $22. I think this is like a smaller version of it. Now this one says it has amino acids in it from watermelon extract. We have hydrating hyaluronic acid and pore refining AHAs, which are alpha hydroxy acids. So those typically are what resurface the skin and can help with texture, pore size, tone, all that kind of stuff. Now this is something that I have always wanted to try. So I am super excited that there are 2 skincare items in this. Now it says Radiant Petal Soft Skin is just a dream away. Now you can use this as a sleeping mask or as like a wash off mask as well. So if you want to use it as a mask, you just put a nice thick generous layer to damp skin, and then you would rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. Otherwise you would just apply again a nice thick layer. So there is that. Now, I recently got the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer. My husband got it for me for Christmas, and it smells so good. And Glow Recipe is a clean brand, so they're considered clean at Sephora, so you know there's not going to be any harmful or harsh ingredients in it. This is what the packaging looks like. I took the cap off because I'm so excited. It smells like actual watermelon, not perfumey watermelon, but like real watermelon. Smells so good. I am so using this tonight. My skin is so extremely dry right now. This is actual glass packaging. This is really cool. So this does have 1 fluid ounce in here. Not sure how many uses that would get you. All right, so moving on to the last item in the box, I have the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. Now this actually retails for $16. It says a volumizing mascara that adds instant thickness and definition. It has a quick dry formula that will lock in a curl, while the custom petite sized hourglass applicator is designed to lay it on thick and separate lash by lash for a full feathered fringe. Now this one I actually didn't see in the sneak peeks. This is really, really cute packaging. So here's what this looks like right here. How adorable is that packaging? I absolutely love it. Let's take a look at the wand. Oh, this kind of looks just like the Better Than Sex wand or the L'Oreal Lash Paradise wand. Doesn't really have a scent, which is really nice. So obviously this is in a black shade. Let's go ahead and add everything up and see what the value was of this month's box. I know they've raised the prices on things, or I should say they've raised the price on the box each month. I don't even know how much it is anymore, like 25 bucks or something like that. The grand total of this month's box is $125.99. I still believe this box is under $25 a month. I cannot believe I'm having such a brain fart with that right now. But nonetheless, obviously we have far exceeded the cost of the box with the value. These are some really, really good items this month. I at first was like seeing the options of things and what I might get in my box, and I was like, oh my god, this is gonna be the crappiest box ever if I get XYZ. When I saw the sneak peeks, I wasn't really wanting the face Gamache. I wasn't super excited about getting another eyeshadow palette. The only item that really disappointed me was the concealer. Like I said, if I picked this shade, I feel like it probably look different online. I really can't blame myself because I pick out foundation and concealers all the time, and I've never really gotten a concealer that I couldn't use or picked the wrong shade. There is some improvement needing to be made there. I'm not too upset about it because this is the first time BOXYCHARM has had a complexion item in their box like this where you'd actually have to choose. So I'm not overly upset about it considering the fact that I'm really excited about the other 4 items. I would have to say what I am most excited for definitely is the Watermelon Sleeping Mask and the Skin & Co. Micro Exfoliating Face Wash. These two together, yes, so much yes. Give me all the skincare. I love anything that can make my skin look healthier. And then obviously the eyeshadow palette is really beautiful as well. So of course, as always, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got in your box. Do you guys really truly enjoy more so of a try-on style video? I feel like with the items that I got, the only thing I really could have tried on for you guys was the concealer, the eyeshadow palette, and the mascara, and even then, the concealer didn't match. So yeah, I think this box was maybe the exception to the rule, but I would like your feedback because I usually do the try-ons and I just want to know from you guys if it makes a difference to you or not. Your guys' opinion really matters to me. When you leave me nice, respectful feedback, respectful criticism, I do enjoy that. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what you got, what you think about these unboxings. And again, do you enjoy more of a try-on style video? I just want to say I love you guys so, so, so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, guys.